What is going on there? It's Kapaski once again, and today we are going to go into the biggest thing of today. Anyway, so what I'm going to do today is simply I'm going to show you how to connect your database to your project. So let's just get started. So what I'm going to do is to click on NetBeans. All right, let me use this one. So I'm going to open my NetBeans. All right, as my NetBeans is loading, let me just go outside and grab some snacks and come back because I got a lot of explanation to make. So when it finished loading, I'll catch you guys, and don't forget, don't go anywhere. All right, guys, welcome back. And I'm having a very pretty nice snacks here, and you can come and join me if you know where I stay. But unfortunately, you don't, so I'm just going to finish them all alone. All right, so this is our project, and we created this in our first tutorial. So if you're just coming in, you can just take a look at it, and you know how to create something like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this app and then test run if there are any errors or not. So let's just do that quickly. So I'm switching back to the source view, and then right click and then click on run file. So let's just check if you have any errors or not. So all right, successfully the application built, and this is the interface. It's not looking bad and it's not looking pretty cool also. But anyways, we're going to manage it for these tutorials, and I know you grab the concept. So do something like this and have a space for username and password, and then a login button, and then you can have a label here if you care. Anyway, so I'm just going to exit this, and then the next thing I love doing is to remove these comments. I kind of hate it, so I'm just going to take them off. And so these are things I love doing. I hate these comments. Anyway, so I'm just going to leave these ones the way they are. All right, so the next thing we are going to do is I'm going to show you how to add MySQL uh, driver into this application. So because before you can interact with that database, as you can see, the database is outside NetBeans, is a separate application. So before you can interact with the database, you need to add the driver into the class part of this application. So it's very simple using NetBeans. For us to do that, I'm just going to click on my project here. Then I will switch. Oh, let me close off this project. All right, so to add the class part, what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand my project folder here, then click on library, and then right click on it, then click on what? Add library. Add library. So I'm just going to click on that one. I'm going to search through this list of libraries and then look for my SQL library. So my SQL driver. So look at it here. If you don't have it, you can just download it and then click on add library, and this time you choose on add jar and folder. So click on it. That is if you've downloaded it already. So then switch to where you have it downloaded. For me, I think I have it somewhere else. Anyways, you got the idea. So just search where you downloaded it and then click on it, and you'll be able to add it to the class part. So I can't find it right now, so that's why I'm just going back. So if you find it, just add it, and you're ready to go. Anyways, so I have it here. I'm going to click on what? Add library. So once I've done that, if I expand the library, I'm going to see my SQL data here. So with this, we can communicate with our database, and then our database can in turn communicate with our what application. So that is what we've successfully done in these tutorials. And anyway, so in our next tutorials, because I'm just trying to make these tutorials as short as possible, so in our next tutorials, I'm going to show you guys how to actually dive into the codes and then start communicating with your database. So anyways, don't forget to subscribe. It's your boy Kapaski, and don't forget to like, share, and comment if you have any question, if you have any suggestion, and we'll look into it. And catch you guys later.